A cheese toast is nothing but cheese and bread baked in an oven till the cheese is all melted and browned nicely. But there is something about my mom's cheese toast recipe that makes it better than everyone else's. And today I will share that secret recipe with you. Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Folks, I recently uploaded an egg toasty recipe on my channel, which is my mother's recipe, and you guys loved it. In fact, it is one of the best performing recipes that I've uploaded in recent times on the channel. Click here on the I button and watch it if you haven't already. And I thought to myself, you know what? Why not give you some of my mother's other amazing recipes, because she has many of them. This one is her cheese toast recipe and it's a huge hit at all her parties. It gets wiped out ASAP. Anyway, on that note, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. It really all starts with the kind of cheese that you use, and if you live in India, you need to get one of our famous processed cheese brands. If you live abroad, you can use a mix of cheddar and hard mozzarella. The first thing we do is grate the cheese, and I saw this little hack of laying the grater down flat so that the cheese falls inside the grater and then you can easily transfer it to the bowl. Who knew that TikTok might actually have some use after all? Now to our cheese we are going to add some green onions, then I season with a wee bit of salt, some dried parsley, some dried oregano, freshly ground black pepper, and then the secret ingredient, which is secret no more, a whole egg. Give that all a good mix and our cheese toast mixture is ready. My mom uses plain old white bread, but you can use whatever bread you like. I like to butter my bread and then spread that cheese toast mixture on top of the bread. Spread it on the bread and then place the slices on your baking tray. Pop it in your oven for about 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. And now just be patient while they cook and you will see that the cheese starts to bubble and brown. It's just like Cheesy Town. Once they are brown, get them out of the oven. Get the cheese toast off the tray. To make this the perfect party snack, you gotta cut it into little squares and then just stack them on your plate. And my mom's famous cheese toast is ready. Just look at that cheesy goodness. It's all nice and melted and caramelized, and of course I've got to bite into it and be floored as always. Ooh yeah. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste my mom's cheese toast, and look who's joining me. It's my beautiful wife Dipti.
And your biggest critic.
Yes,
and your mom's biggest fan.
My mom's biggest fan and my biggest critic. So hopefully you will like the cheese toast and not be too critical of how I've made them.
So I'm not supposed to say how it compares to your mom's?
Of course you can.
Okay.
But I know what the answer is going to be. It's not as good as my mom's.
It's very hot.
Yes, it is hot. I've just heated.
Molten cheese. Ooh.
Hot?
Yeah. You know it's a good cheese toast when the molten cheese plasters itself onto the roof of your mouth. Amazing.
Yeah, I mean it is. I can't be critical of this. I love it.
It's delicious. This is the ultimate party snack. But also, you know what I'm going to say.
What?
Your mom's is better.
My mom's is better.
But it's delicious. Like, I have missed this. You never make it for me.
And now I have.
No comments.
Anyway, I think I did okay on the cheese toast front. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as you did the egg toasty recipe, and I hope you will make this. Let me know how it turns out, and I guess we're gonna go and enjoy the rest of these cheese toasts.
You really should make this.
Yeah, it's a perfect party snack. Like, this is a hit at all my mom's parties.
The first thing to disappear from the table.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go and enjoy this, and I'll see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. A big thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon and here on the YouTube channel memberships. You are all awesome. And if you'd like to join this inner circle of Headbangers Kitchen fans, the links are in the video description box just below this video. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Thank you all once again and see you on the next episode.